Now, you don't normally associate a tiny little 75mm drone at the beach like this, but today we're going to test the Meteor 75 with the DJI 04 Lite and see how it performs over the sea and over the sand. Obviously, I've got to be a little bit careful. I don't want to get this wet and I don't want to get it sandy, so I've got a bit of a towel as a takeoff position. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see how the wind is, how my flying skills are. So a bit of a safer run to start with. Okay, this is flying okay, doesn't seem to be too much wind. Be interesting to see what the shots look like. Do we have jello? What's the quality like? Send it a little bit higher. Beautiful. Bit of cloud cover today, so it's not as scenic as the other day. So I did fly the other day from there. Oh, look. I think we've got a stingray. This is pretty cool. Let's see if we can see the stingray again. Where's that? Let's come down and around. I've got to just keep an eye on that battery, obviously. Where's the stingray? Let's do it from this way. Where is it? I've lost it. Is it moving that fast? Anybody seen the stingray? I'm getting worried about the battery now. I need to keep an eye on it. Yeah, okay, I'm going to bring it back, change the battery, and then head back out again, see if we can find it. So, goal is to try and land on the towel. Not bad. Okay, let's change that battery fast. Where was the stingray? Let's head up high straight away and have a look, coming from left to right like we did before. But it might have gone quite a way down. Okay, can you see it? Okay, be careful, Paul, don't go too far. I've lost it. No, I think it might have gone. Okay, well, we saw it briefly. Yeah, okay. Let's go back to what we were doing. So we'll just fly nice and close, safely close to the water, to the beach, see how everything looks. Yeah, the battery's going quite quick. It's obviously flying into the wind quite a bit. I mean, there's a chance we'd see kangaroos at the back here as well. Turn into a wildlife video instead of a drone video. Okay, low battery again. I'm not going to challenge the battery in any way today. Especially with the 04, you have to be a little bit careful. If the battery gets too low, it'll just drop out of the sky and you'll lose video. So you just definitely have to keep an eye on those batteries. If I'm on the open field or something, I don't worry so much. I'll push it a little bit more, but here we just need to be a little bit more careful. Okay, let's do one more battery, do a few flips and tricks, and then it will be interesting to watch the footage back, like you guys are already, and see what that jello is like. I'm being so careful. So when I say push the tricks, it's pushing the tricks safely for me. Oh, but battery full, careful. Okay. Low battery. I'll do one more scenic one, nice and high, a bit further away. Yeah, it definitely doesn't look as beautiful as it did the other day just because of the cloud cover. Okay, battery. Okay, so you can definitely fly the 75mm Pro at the beach. You just need to obviously be careful, watch that battery, make sure you've got enough control to not put it in the water, not put it in the sand. Oh, like that. If you are interested in any of the BetaFPV drones, there's a link down below that helps the channel out, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.